So we need to deal more with behavioral finance than just finance. Okay, so when my son in 10 years, when he's 17, go to university, and this is what his ISA looks like, and he's 7 years in, right? When he gets over here 10 years from today, so let's say he's starting now there, when he gets in here, right, and he's making over 100 grand a year at the age of 18, I won't have a problem of him going, Daddy, can I have more money? No, you bloody well can't. In fact, can I have some, son? Now, what are we going to do? What are we going to do? Well, it comes down to this. When you get all of that shoved in, you've got two types of things that can happen. Either stocks go up or stocks go down. And there's only two types of stocks, what I call my quality stocks, which are the ones which just perennially deliver a lot of money, a lot of time. Okay. Whoops. Raheem, I'll come back to your question in just a second. Hopefully it's all working now, the poll. Sorry again, that I think there is some kind of technical issue. It's not at your end, because I think it was at neither my end either. I think it's probably Webinar Jam end. Okay, so two types of quality ones are the ones which consistently, year after year, have significant gains. You know, they sort of average over the long term 50% per annum type. Rarely fall. If they fall, they have shallow falls, and those falls are quickly recovered. And this is because the company's P&L, balance sheets, cash flows are just, they're cash cows. They have high cash return on capital invested, high croquis, okay? Now, these companies, by their very nature, have predictable falls. So like even a Meta, which can fall 70% in 2022, the average price is what I showed you earlier, just gave a really big trigger early on that this is going to fall, stay the hell out of it, okay? So rare, predictable falls, usually shallow. If they're deep, they're very predictable through the average prices, and they have consistent year-on-year, very extreme highs. And now we've got to the stage, after quite a bit of research, of identifying, we've got about 47 of those we put in that category out of the entire world. Okay, so out of all the listed Chinese companies, which you can put in a SIP or ISA or 401k, wherever you are in the world listening to this, all the British companies, all the European ones, we've got about 47.